Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about the three types of operating system: batch operating system, time sharing operating system, and real-time systems. For that, you required your textbook of Computer Science Class 9, that is National Book Foundation. The page number is 4344, Chapter A, Unit 2, Fundamentals of Operating System, Lesson Types of Operating System, Resources required: laptop, computer, mobile, and internet. Do remember, start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. In batch processing system, jobs are grouped in batches and computer execute them one by one. When the current job terminates, the computer automatically loads the next job and starts executing it. Batch processing operating system greatly improve the use of computer system. Batch processing systems are suitable for the task where large amount of data is collected and processed on regular basis. For example, in credit card billing system, data of credit card holders is collected and held until processed as a batch at the end of billing cycle. And another example is an examination report card system. All the data of the student's examination is collected and processed as a batch for printing report cards. Then we have the time sharing system. The time sharing is a feature of operating system which multiple user can use by running different programs on a large scale computer. It allows many users to have access to a computer at the same time and share the computer system. Time. In a time sharing system, the central processing unit is switched rapidly between the program so that the user programs are executed simultaneously. The operating system uses it in mini computers and mainframe computers support time sharing. The time sharing operating systems are used in organizations such as airline, banks, hotel, and university, where many users need access to central computer at the same time. For example, hundreds of students access university's mainframe computer at the same time and they run different programs in a time sharing system in an interactive mode. Then the third type is real-time operating system. These operating systems must process information and produce a response within specified time. These operating systems developed for the special applications. These are used to control industrial process such as oil refining. Real-time operating systems are used to supply immediate response within time. For example, measurement from an oil refining indicating that temperatures are getting too high might demand quick response to avert an explosion. There are a number of real-time systems used in military and space research programs. For example, real-time operating system is used to monitor the position of a rocket in the space. Many cities are installing real-time traffic control system to facilitate smooth flow of traffic at busy intersections. Now you have the assignment. Solve the following question. Describe the following types of operating system: batch processing system, time sharing system, real-time system. And then search the applications of real-time systems. Along with this tutorial, I'm sending few links regarding the three types of operating system: batch processing, time sharing, real-time sharing. Do watch these videos. You will have a clear concept of all the three types of operating system. Thank you. Do remember, education is a passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today.